demoing on point one.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Can I come in? Well, that's a big motor.
Yeah.
And you broke it, or is it supposed to be like that?
No, I cut it.
Oh, okay. Wow. Was there a reason you cut the frame?
Just to cut it.
Oh, okay. Nice. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Daniel, my name's Daniel Malton. I got 3 ZB5 Hybrid 18s and 2 Crossfire XS8Xs. 6th order.
Okay. Oh, wow, those are big ports in the back. Are those 8-inch ports in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. For the doors, it's Sundown Neo Pro V3s.
Okay.
And then Cab M4s.
Nice. This looks like it plays pretty windy.
It does okay.
What's the bandwidth like?
If you want to see bandwidth, I can play a song that goes high and back to low.
Sure, yeah, man. If you have it, yeah, that'd be great.
Let me do that, dude.
Okay, nice. What's your battery power and alternator?
384 amp hour of spin, dual 320 brand X alternators.
Okay.
And the system's on its own charging, so it's not connected to the factory.
Got it. Okay. Some big subs. The RMS on these 3,000?
2,500.
2,500. Okay. I'm still learning. Any SPL test out of this?
Does a 61.7.
What freak?
At 32.
Really? Wow. That's pretty good. Man.
It plays pretty good. It definitely has a lot of bandwidth for most 6th orders I've seen.
Oh yeah. Is there where I can see the? Is it already open in the back?
Yes, yeah. Right back there.
Awesome. Oh, it's already here. Okay. Nice.
That's just there to help.
So these are 2 amps on 3 subs.
Yeah, it's strapped.
Okay. That like
0.33 strap.
oh, so 0.6, so 3. Oh. Okay.
No. It's 0.33 strap.
So it drops to 1. Oh man.
So I'm demoing on point one.
Yeah. So you kind of learn your limits. Wow. I've never
these
seen
Crossfires are pretty tough, man.
Wow.
And then the Cab M4s, they do real good.
Does it get pretty warm? No, that's not bad because you got fans on them.
Yeah, I keep this fan right here.
I've never seen an amp strap at 0.3. Usually it's 0.6 drop. That's pretty crazy. And the battery bank's underneath?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
496 amp hour SPIMs, and then it's all joined together by 4.0 SkyHigh wire.
Okay. Very nice. Woo. And this box was built actually in the vehicle, looks like. Okay.
Yeah, it was shelled and everything.
Okay.
So it's got a 2x4 shell all the way around.
Okay. Hey, thank you for showing me, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you again. For the door kind of helps on the lows.
A little bit. It lets me play as low as I do.
Dude, you're putting some power.
Oh yeah.
Wow. For a triple sub system, it's crazy how much pressure comes out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did a good job.